Hello students, today I am going to explain you pronouns. Today's topic is pronoun. As you know, a pronoun is a word which replaces a noun to avoid its unnecessary repetition. Means we use pronoun in place of a noun to avoid its unnecessary repetition. Like he, she, it, I, we, you, they, all these are pronouns. Let's see example. Mary gave a letter to Sia. As you can see here students, Mary is a girl, means noun, letter is also a noun and Sia is also a noun. And I have told you in place of a noun we can use pronoun, means we use pronoun. Then in place of Mary what we can say, we can write she. Mary is a girl, means it's a female, and for female we use she, and it's a singular. Then for singular we use she. She gave letter. Letter is also noun. Then in place of letter we can write pronoun also, and it's a non-living thing. Letter is a non-living thing, and for non-living thing we use it. Then it, she gave it to Sia. For Sia we will use, it's a female, we will use pronoun. Then which pronoun we will use? She? No, it's wrong. We will not use she. As you can see, Mary and Sia both are the females, but we will not use the same pronoun. Why? Because Mary is a subject pronoun, and Mary is subject and Sia is object. Then we will use object pronoun in place of in place of Sia we will write object pronoun. Then for Sia which pronoun we can see? We can use she, but here Sia is used as an object. Then we will write object pronoun. That's why I have written here her. Then she is the subject pronoun and her is the object pronoun. Then what the answer will come? She gave it to her. As you can see student, in place of noun I have used pronoun. I hope you have understood. Then let's kinds of pronoun. There are different kinds of pronoun, like personal pronoun, demonstrative pronouns, possessive pronouns, interrogative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronoun, reciprocal pronouns, and indefinite pronoun. Let's start first personal pronoun. What is a personal pronoun? By seeing the name personal, we can understand it refers to a person or thing. Personal pronoun. They refer to a specific person, object, or group of things are known as the personal pronoun. Means personal pronoun are stand for a specific person, object, or group of things. Means they stand for person, object, or things. I, we, her, them, us, it, and she are personal pronoun. These are known as the personal pronoun, which you can see there are written some words highlighted. These are known as the personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are of three kinds. Students, personal pronoun are of three kind. First person, second person, and third person. First person pronoun is known, means the person who is speaking. Who is speaking is known as the first person. Like I am speaking, then I am the first person. Then which pronoun is come in first person? I, we, me, and us. We can say I and we. From I we can make me and we, us. Then I, we, me, us is known as the first person pronoun. Means who is the speaker, who is speaking is known as the first person pronoun. Second person, the person being spoken to. Okay, the person being spoken to is known as the second person pronoun, and you is known as the second person pronoun. You is second person pronoun. Third person, the person being spoken about, means to whom we are talking about, is known as the third person. Here with whom we are talking about is known as the second person, and third person to whom we are talking about, like he, she, it, they, him, her, and them. These are known as the third person pronoun. Then these are the kinds of pronoun. First person I, we, me, and us. Second person only you, and third person he, she, it, they, him, her, and them. These are known as the third person pronoun. Student, as I told you, we can use pronoun as a subject or as an object. Okay, there's a given a table. Let's see. And pronoun is also singular and plural. Here are singular pronoun and plural pronoun. Person means first person, second person, third person, and subject and object means where which pronoun is known as the first subject, and which pronoun is used as a subject and which pronoun is used as an object. I is used as a subject and me is used as an object. Then I is a subject person pronoun and me is object. You is used as a subject and as an object, both means same. In both we use you same. He is subject person pronoun and him is object, means he is used as subject, him is used as an object. She subject, her object. It and it, they both are same, means subject and object, it is same. Plural pronouns mean all these pronouns are singular pronoun and plural pronoun. We, you, they are known as plural pronoun. Student, as you can see, you is used as a plural pronoun and here as a singular pronoun. Yes, it is right. We can use you as a singular pronoun or as a plural pronoun, both. We use as a subject and us use as an object. You is used as a subject and as an object. They is used as a subject, them is used as an object. Students, before the verb, okay, before, when we use the pronoun before the verb, then it is known as subject, and when we use after the verb, then it is known as the object. As you can see here, she gave it to her. Gave is a verb. Before the verb she is used, it is a subject, and after gave means after verb what have used, her, then her is the object, means before the verb which pronoun is used is known as the subject, and after the verb which pronoun is used as is known as the object. Okay, this is the place of the subject and object. Before verb subject and after verb object. I hope student till here you have understood. Next one, demonstrative pronoun. They help to point at something or someone, means demonstrative pronouns point out or indicate at something or someone. They point out or indicate. Like this, that, these and those are known as the demonstrative pronoun. Student, this and that is used as a singular pronoun, and these and those are used as a plural pronoun. Remember this and that are used as a singular, these and those are used as a plural. Student, this and these tell us about the things that are near to the speaker, means we use these and these to point out the things, means point out something or someone that are near to speaker, and that and those are used that are far to the speaker, means the things, means object or person that are at a distance of the speaker or that are far to the speaker. Here is written the use like this, to point at a person or thing that is near us, that is near to us, means us means here means near to the speaker, means to who is speaking. That to point at a person or thing that is far from us. These to point at a people or thing that are near us, and those to point or things that are far from us. It means these and these are used that are near to the speaker, and that and those that are far to the speaker, means that are near to us and that are far to us. Let's see example. This is my pen. Demonstrative pronoun, as I've told, they point out or indicate the person or means something or someone, means person or thing. Then this is indicate or point out about the pen. Okay, this is my pen, it's this word, this is indicate to pen, point out the pen. Like that is a lost umbrella, that indicate or point out the umbrella. These are your books, these are used, and pointing out indicates the books. Which word indicate the books? Then this is indicate the books. Those are the students of this school. Then those word indicate about which? Students, means those are the students. Those word indicate or point out the students. Possessive pronouns. Possessive means, students, meaning to have. Okay. Then possessive pronoun, they show ownership to someone or something, means they show the ownership and possessiveness to someone or thing, means the things that belong to someone. Like this pen is mine, that one is yours. Student, this pen is mine. Then whose pen is this? This pen is mine. It's belong to me. It's mine. This pen belong to me. Then here, mine is representing the ownership. Means that I am the owner of this pen. And that one is yours. Means that pen is yours. Means you are the owner of that pen. This bike is hers. Here, hers is showing the ownership of bike. Means that bike belongs to her. This one is his. Here, his, so that the bike is that any male person, means that his. Means possessive pronoun show the ownership and possession of something. Like mine, yours, his, hers, its, yours, theirs. All these are possessive pronouns. Students, here are tables. As you can see, means possessive pronoun that are used as a means possessive pronoun. How we form the pronoun possessive pronoun by using the personal pronoun, and they are also singular and plural. As I've told you, pronoun can be used as a singular or plural. Like if there's I or me, means when we are talking about myself, then we will use mine for you and yours, for he and him, his, for she, hers, it, its, we, ours, you, yours, they, theirs, they, them, theirs. All these are possessive pronouns. Why? Because they show the ownership, means they show that the things to whom the things belong. Okay, these are known as the possessive pronoun. Mine, yours, his, hers, and its are singular possessive pronoun. Ours, yours, and theirs are plural possessive pronoun. Why? Because these are used for only one person and things, and these are used for more than one person or thing. That's why they are known as plural and they are known as singular. The same thing is here also in personal pronoun, students. I, you, he, she, it, me, you, him, her, it. It is used for only one person or thing. That's why this is known as the singular personal pronoun. Means only we can use only when we have only one person or thing. We, you, they, us, you, them are used. They are plural pronoun. Why? Because we use this pronoun for more than one person or pronoun. I use for myself, you for you. He is for the male person, and she is used for female person. It is used for non-living things and for animal. We is used when we talking about if there's any one person, and I myself is there, and you for means you, and they is used as a plural when we have more than one person or animal, then we will, or things, then we will use they. Till here, till third number I have explained, student. I hope you all have understood.